So after a turkey break, I check out the area and kind of set up in the middle of where the dogs barked. I get them some water and get them rested down, and then they basically hide underneath this cover. I have to cover them up because they're mostly white. A lot of guys think that you have to cover them to keep them still, and that's just simply not true. They'll stay here as long as I want them to. They might adjust themselves a little bit, but it doesn't matter. Basically, here in a little bit, they'll just fall asleep.